Nestled into the rugged escarpment of a secluded South Pacific cove, Seascape stands as a testament to the profound relationship between architecture and the natural world. From the moment one sets eyes on this unassuming beachside retreat, a deep sense of stillness and harmony pervades. The house, designed by Patterson Associates, does not merely occupy its remote coastal location but seeks to become an intrinsic part of it, blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. It is as if the dwelling had always been there, carved from the very rocks that encircle it, quietly observing the ebb and flow of the tide. Seascape is not just a home, it is a living, breathing entity that invites its occupants to experience the raw beauty of nature in its purest form. The house is intentionally modest in size, comprising a lobby, a combined living and sleeping area, and a bathroom. This simplicity is deliberate, echoing the romantic fantasy of a lover's cave, a place where two people, shipwrecked and alone, might find solace and connection. Andrew Patterson, the design director at Patterson Associates, explains that the vision was to create a space that evokes the feeling of a couple taking refuge in a cave, lighting a fire, and watching the horizon as they wait to be rescued. This image of vulnerability and intimacy is central to the design philosophy, which emphasizes the connection between humans and the natural world as a pathway to deeper self-awareness. Seascape was originally conceived as a honeymoon destination, a secluded retreat where newlyweds could escape the world and immerse themselves in each other and their surroundings. However, as the design evolved, it became clear that the house could offer something more profound, a place where the simplest expression of habitation could be achieved. Patterson believes that by creating a space where nature is ever present, where the lines between indoors and outdoors blur, people can reconnect with themselves and with each other. This connection is the essence of Seascape, and it is what makes the house so much more than just a place to stay. The location of Seascape is as much a part of the experience as the house itself. Set above a rocky cove on a vast 1,600-hectare farm on New Zealand's South Island, the site is remote and untamed. The bay is small, not much larger than a rugby field, and teeming with life. Dolphins, orcas, birds, and even penguins are regular visitors, drawn to the rich marine environment. For those who stay at Seascape, the ever-changing landscape becomes a constant companion, offering a sense of connection to the world beyond the house's walls. Patterson himself spent a weekend at Seascape, and his encounters with the local wildlife left a lasting impression, reinforcing the idea that the house is a part of its environment, not separate from it. The design of Seascape is deeply rooted in the principles of biophilic design, which seeks to create spaces that foster a connection with nature. One of the ways Seascape achieves this is through its geometry. The house is compact and straightforward, but the views are expansive, accessed through an interlocking facade that makes the space feel much larger than it is. Depending on where one sits or looks, the house directs the eye either towards a crescent view of the cove or towards a dramatic rock formation called the cove, which rises from the distant ocean. This careful orchestration of views ensures that nature is always present, whether in the foreground or the background, grounding the occupants in their surroundings. The materials used to construct Seascape further reinforce its connection to the landscape. Locally sourced and sustainably harvested, the materials include in-situ poured concrete floors, a turfed roof, and rock quarried from the farm itself. The rock, in particular, plays a crucial role in the design, moving seamlessly from the exterior to the interior, blurring the boundaries between the house and the surrounding environment. Inside, horizontal macrocarpa timber lines the walls and ceilings, creating a warm, inviting space that contrasts with the ruggedness of the exterior. The furnishings are simple and pared back, allowing the natural materials and the views to take center stage. Seascape's design is not only about aesthetics but also about practicality. The house is equipped to withstand the challenges posed by its remote and rugged location. A wall of double-glazed Low-E glass provides insulation while offering uninterrupted views, and the house's structure is designed to protect against earthquakes. The precast concrete shell and shatterproof steel mullions are engineered to withstand the forces of nature, ensuring that the occupants are safe and secure. The integration of the house into the escarpment above provides an additional layer of protection, shielding the occupants from falling debris in the event of an earthquake. The house was under construction during the 2014 Christchurch earthquake, and the strength of its design was proven when the cove partially collapsed, but the house remained unscathed. Patterson Associates has succeeded in creating a dwelling that is not only a place of shelter, but also a place of profound connection. Seascape offers its occupants an immersive experience of nature, where the boundaries between the built environment and the natural world dissolve. The house feels as though it belongs to the landscape, and in doing so, it offers a sense of belonging to those who stay there. This sense of belonging is at the heart of what we seek in our homes and in our lives, a feeling of being part of something larger, something that grounds us and gives us a sense of identity and purpose. Seascape is a reminder that by connecting with the natural world, we can find a deeper connection with ourselves and with each other.